Here I'm introducing you our company newly developed the Bassoon cane flexibility tester. And as you can see, this machine looks like exactly like our oboe cane flexibility tester. So I mean, it's just that those two parts are different from the holding cane parts are different from the oboe cane. So he has made it bigger for holding the bassoon cane. So same, and for this scale reader, so you can see this is the gram. Yeah, you're choosing the gram mode, so it will look like this. Then the first I'm going to test the cane and the center side ratio equal. And the thickness of the cane is the 1.20 to 1.23. The center side ratio is equal. Then hold it well. Then I twist it. The body can see. And you can see it's about, when it started, it's about 600. Now it's to the 590 to 580. So it's at, you can tolerate, it's about 20, you know. I mean, 20 is when the start from 600, usually it's end up a few seconds after, it's about 580. So for this reading, it's about, we can see above the 600, above 600 to 750, we thinking the string is about the median. The string is about the median. So to be sure, usually, and we just turn it to the other side, then you test it again, just to see if the reading is about the same. So back to 0, then twist it again. So start with 670, now it's about 650. Okay, you just tolerant for about 20. I'll leave it for after a few seconds, the reading, you just according to reading after a few seconds when you made a turn. Okay, this piece of cane, I will address it, it's for the median string. So I will try the other piece of cane now. Okay, I will test the other piece of cane. Back to 0. Sometimes the scale is jumping around. I mean, you don't need to bother about it. If it's just a small number, it's below 0, so you just don't need to bother it. So I just start making turn. Oh, this one's start from 900. The same measurement piece of cane, the start from 900. So after a few seconds, then it will come back to about 880. So we tolerant for 20, then this is much more harder strings piece of cane than the one we just measured. So that comes out the reading is, this is very hard piece of cane. So we are going to make our chart on our website. As a hard piece of cane, we will make it as above 750 if the equal center side ratio and 1.20 to 1.3 thickness. So it's going to be above 750 grams, then this is a hard piece of cane. So this can start with almost 900. So it is a very hard piece of cane. So for so we're going to measure the center side ratio. The differential is about 0.20. So I mean, we usually take measurement from shaped cane. So you can know and exactly what is the center thickness. If the center thickness is about 1.20, so the size of a shaped cane is about 1. It's about 1 millimeter. So 1.20 to size 1 is the differential is about 20. Then I will start measure again from this cane. So this piece of cane now reading about 670. Start with a 690, now end up it's about 670. So as a center side ratio it's 0.20, then we would put it up as the harder piece of cane is above 700. Above 700, then this is because the size is thinner than the equal one. So the reading and we are put it like 50 under. So for the equal one, it's 750 above. So for this one, it's 700. Above 700, then this is a harder piece of cane. So the one we just measured is below 700. So this is median. I think this is a median cane. So I will try to measure from the other one. So this one starts with 860. Now it's for 840. So this is a hard piece of cane. What did we just say? It's above 700. Then surely this piece of cane is much more harder than the median one we have just measured. We have just put it on the machine. I mean, it's a very useful machine for you test your cane. It's much more useful than the density tester, because the density tester from the end to the other end, then you can read in totally different kind of density. This flexibility, you can know the cane exactly as the cane it is. This is when you start making reads, that really will help you get the perfect result. Okay, thank you.